chicken video for a long time, but this is what it looks like to be a hen at Natural Grandma. If you're buying Natural Grandma eggs, they're protected by this goose, this electric netting that's running about 5,000 volts, and they move in pastures where the cattle had been. This is the kind of stuff that they get here. Gander, you're noisy. I don't shoot a lot of chicken videos because when I start talking, Gander starts honking. He's trying to make sure that I don't come near his chickens. If you go back to some of the other videos, you'll see that he chased a hoot owl out. Whoops, there's an airplane there that I hope we ain't having to chase out here. Look at the hen show. Look what happens when an aerial predator comes over. Them hens say, oh my gosh, run for cover, under the feather net, get under the feather net, get under the feather net quick. And they all run. Look at them go. That was an airplane. We shouldn't be dealing with that. So, got a neighbor there that is getting fungicide put on, evidently. Yep. And here he comes again. We're going to bank right back over my hens. And here he comes. And you notice I don't have any hens left in my grass. And I'm glad he's not spraying this property by mistake, because we don't need anything on our hens that resembles that. But that's just a little closer than we'd like for him to be. So, yeah. Welcome to the world of trying to be regenerative. Yeah, Hank ain't doing a very good job of getting over the netting. Get my feet tangled in it, I'll end up like that old hoot owl. That is normal agriculture, folks. And the wind is blowing away from us, so there's no chance of any of that coming back here. But you seen how pretty my hens were grazing? They're not grazing no more. They're scared. And I think we should be scared. Should be scared that our food source is being contaminated. The hens lay in these little boxes in here. They have feed all underneath these feather nets. We have bird's foot trefoil here where they're eating. And here he comes again. Spraying fungicide on the corn. Keep it from getting smut and mold and all that stuff. But the hens have sure got quiet. And they're not real sure about even coming out. A few eggs this morning. It's not too many. They just haven't got into their laying mode yet. You gonna lay an egg there, honey? You gonna lay an egg? We got two on the ends, but most of them are inside here. So, going on around the feather nets. There's two of these that are 21 feet wide, 48 feet long, and as you see, they provide plenty of protection for our hens. one daredevil there. I'm sure glad the wind is blowing towards him. So, I have no chance of that coming over there. And we don't feed that kind of grain. This is non-GMO grain. It's not been sprayed with pesticides. So. Here's the water source. You've seen how nice them hens was grazing until now. We have a little bit of a water problem here somehow. Ooh, he comes right up over them trees. And he's waving his wings goodbye at me. Maybe he's gonna come down again, I don't know. That is one daredevil there. One acrobatic daredevil. Don't need no roller coaster ride for this man. He gets it every day at work. That plane is pretty much GPS controlled. He knows exactly where he is sprayed, so I think I lost him. Where did he go? There he went. What do you think of that, girls? He can fly. I think he can fly better than you girls. He's a pretty good flyer. He said, oh, never mind. We're getting used to him now. Part of our world, people. Just part of our world. Goodbye so long. Well, we're getting some pretty good footage of a aerial crop duster for sure. He went by and did the end, is what he did right there, the end on that cornfield. I think that's about a 30-acre field. And here he comes again. Hard to see out here with the sun to see if I got him or not. Got such a glare. So he's gonna come back and get this end here. Well, natural grandma of yours, welcome to their show. Naturalgrandma.com. Come and buy your chicken, your eggs, your beef. We are one part away from that one. I think he's probably gonna go home now. He's coming back for one more past somewhere here. Touching it back up just a little bit. So, now you have it, Natural Grandma viewers. Another fine video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And check out all our products. Get your eggs at Berry Road Hy-Vee in Kansas City. 64th Street, the one there by Parkville. Out in Overland Park 1. And Hy-Vee in Chillicothe, Missouri, Pringler's in Brunswick. Don't forget all our restaurants, Main Street in Carrollton, Brookfield Cafe. Breeze is blowing right in my face, so nothing is getting on these hens here. They have a good water source. Plenty of fresh water everywhere they go. This is coming out of wells. So we know the wells are on this grass farm, so it's safe as we can make it. It's getting harder and harder to keep our food safe, people. We need your support. The more you buy our eggs and buy our products, recommend your friends to buy our eggs and buy our products, then the better chance we have of surviving in this world of corporate agriculture. Because we grazed cows over this on our grass-finished beef. They move around in rotation, and then it all greens back up and gets beautiful again. And we don't use commercial fertilizers. We don't use pesticides. We don't use grain that's had that put on. There's no glyphosate residues in any of the eggs you eat from Natural Grandma. And we feel we're a little bit better than organic because it is a mobile pastured egg. No other egg is produced like this. And yes, it takes a lot of work, a lot of investment, a lot of hands-on elbow grease. So please support us. Please tell your friends in the Kansas City area. Drive a little ways and get Natural Grandma eggs. If they're not in your Hy-Vee, ask for them. Get a petition up. Say, hey, because some of our Hy-Vees have dropped us because it was hard to take small quantities of eggs and build a new market. But we're not going to give up. Not going to give up. Natural Grandma is committed to bringing you safe, friendly food at a reasonable cost, but probably slightly more than that from the corporate farmer, because our costs are a lot higher. And we love you, viewers. Share us up. Don't forget to check out our aluminum chicken tractor videos. Check out the aluminum chicken tractors on the website. Be sure and see us at Ozarks Homesteading Expo, August 24th and 25th. I believe that's right, Cheryl. If you're watching, comment, maybe put a link on this channel. Cheryl does a great job of making you guys a expo. Come on out, hens. Chicky, chicky, chicky. Chicky, chicky, chicky. Chick, 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 chicky. Come on, hens. That big yellow aerial predator is gone. you can come back out in this beautiful grass. Come out here and be a hen and eat some of this Queen's lace or shade under it. Isn't that a gorgeous Queen's lace bloom there? Where'd it go? There it is. And then we got the bird's foot trefoil here that they can pick through. It's like they got red clover. They got nice little small grass, more bird's foot. They've been out here and eat some of the grass blades. You can see where they've been bit off. But just an assortment of good, clean ground. And that unit has been there. We moved it yesterday morning. So tomorrow morning, that next netting here will be pulled up. And we're already, Ron and Neil already have the cell set up. And they're gonna move right on forward. Into this next cell of beautiful grass. You can tell on this side that they have picked over some of them leaves. On the other side, there's a little more green. They just follow that ground around. See, the netting is already set up waiting for them. That keeps our predators out. The goose keeps the aerial predators out. A Joel Staunton millennial feather net. We call this our feather net flock. It's about 2,000 hens here laying quality eggs for our Natural Grandma customers. Come along for the ride, folks. Support us with your food dollar. We are doing it because we love you and we want you to feed your family healthy and stop spending so much at the doctor on your children. So that's all from Papa Hank. Like, share, subscribe. Take us out the roof there. Thanks our Rustic Life viewers. Put some links on Vince's page every now and then, Rustic Life viewers. Take some other people to Natural Grandma. Vince is doing them meat chickens down in Oklahoma with a chicken tractor. So if you want to see meat chicken videos in a Natural Grandma all aluminum chicken tractor, check out our Rustic Life on YouTube. You'll be glad you did. Vincent and Aiden do a good job down there. Father and son team, surviving the world with God's blessing. So folks, I'm gonna go deliver eggs in Kansas City. I think I'm loading up about 35 cases today. So hope to see you there. High V's in Kansas City. Papa Hank and Natural Grandma. Good day.